Your toilet is the most used and the most necessary seat in your entire home, and that seat can become very dangerous, especially if you are recovering from an injury, illness, losing some mobility, stability. The toilet then can become very dangerous, and a great solution is adding toilet rails so you have arm support to get up and off that toilet. At Nova, we have 3 great options. We have 2 that attach directly to your toilet and 1 that is a standalone frame. So be proactive with your toilet and prevent falls and make going to the bathroom much easier. The Nova toilet rails attach onto any toilet, elongated and standard, and also you can even add a toilet seat riser. These are going to work just great. So having arms on your toilet gives you a lot of leverage, support, and safety. So then now you have arms to get down on the toilet and then also to get up. That's so vital in fall prevention and being safe on your toilet. These arms are nice and contoured, so it's comfortable, and they also have a nice padding on there. This padding is durable, soft, and also very easy to clean. So now I'm going to show you the very quick and easy assembly of the toilet rails. First, you're going to attach the mounting bracket. This is going to require that you remove your toilet seat. Once you've removed the toilet seat with the screws, you're going to insert the mounting bracket with the toilet seat and reinsert the screws and attach the toilet seat with the mounting bracket underneath your toilet seat. Now that your mounting bracket is attached, you're going to put together the arms. And there are 3 pieces. You're going to put together first the 2 pieces that come together with the wing nut and screw. And you're going to insert that into your mounting bracket. Now you're going to insert the last piece with the left bracket, attach it to the left side, and that's going to be done with just a push button. And just make sure that push button comes out on the cutout. Do the same thing for the right side, and you are ready to go. All right, and the other great feature that I love about the toilet rails are that it's adjustable. So with just the simple push button here, you can move the rails inside to make it more narrow, or if you need a little bit more room, you can adjust it to give a little bit more clearance here. And then you can also easily remove the rails. So if this is just for temporary use or just for a visitor, you can easily remove these arms, keep the mounting bracket on there. So when you do need to use it, it's very easy to install and attach. All right, and with all of Nova's products, it comes with our care, use, and warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.